Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add photos to Facebook. Let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Tap on the What's on Your Mind field at the top of your newsfeed or profile page to create a new post. Tap on the Photo Video option. This will open your phone's gallery or photo library. Select the photos you want to upload. You can select multiple photos if you desired. After selecting photos, you can add captions, tag people, or add location information. Tap on the photo to edit or apply filters if needed. Once you are satisfied with your post, tap post or share to upload the photos to Facebook. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.